Welcome to our Sketching Explainer video series, where we bring you valuable insights on industry best practices. In this episode, we're diving into the new supplier onboarding process. Discover the key steps and best practices to streamline this crucial aspect of your business. Let's begin. Step 1. Clearly define onboarding criteria. Start by identifying the specific criteria and requirements for selecting new suppliers. This ensures that you bring on board suppliers who align with your company's values, quality standards, and business goals. Step 2. Conduct thorough supplier evaluations. Perform a comprehensive evaluation of potential suppliers, considering their financial stability, track record, certifications, and references. This step helps mitigate risks and ensures you choose reliable partners. Step 3. Establish transparent communication channels. Effective communication is crucial throughout the onboarding process. Clearly convey your expectations, contractual terms, and performance metrics to the new suppliers. Encourage open dialogue to address any concerns or questions they may have. Step 4. Develop a tailored onboarding plan. Create a structured onboarding plan that outlines the specific steps, training, and documentation required for each supplier. This plan ensures consistency and a smooth transition into your supply chain. Step 5. Provide training and support. Offer comprehensive training to new suppliers on your systems, processes, and quality standards. Additionally, provide ongoing support to address any challenges they may encounter during the onboarding period. Step 6. Regularly evaluate performance. Continuously monitor and evaluate the performance of new suppliers against predefined metrics. This allows you to identify areas for improvement, provide feedback, and ensure they meet your expectations. Here we are. By following these best practices, you can establish strong partnerships, mitigate risks, and enhance your supply chain efficiency. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe.